This video describes a defensive simulation, an AI-driven hybrid attack against the judiciary. The defensive exercise tested institutional resilience in a high-stakes electoral dispute scenario. This is a defensive exercise and not an enabler for attacks. The target of this strategic context was the National Constitutional Court, with an electoral dispute ruling due in 48 hours. The adversary was a sophisticated state-aligned hybrid actor, and the objective was to undermine institutional legitimacy before the ruling through multi-domain AI destabilization. Phase 1 was reconnaissance. Adversary actions included scraping public data, building AI social graphs, and mapping travel patterns. The defensive response involved zero-trust monitoring, narrative monitoring, and an AI deception layer that fed synthetic noise metadata. Phase 2 was digital probing. Adversary actions included targeted spear phishing, credential stuffing, and deploying AI-generated malware. The defense responded with anomaly detection, hardware-based MFA, malware sandboxing, and deepfake engine IDing synthetic patterns. Phase 3, the narrative strike, involved the adversary releasing a deepfake video of the Chief Justice and launching bot-amplified hashtag campaigns. The immediate defense, deployed within 15 minutes, used cryptographic signatures and digital forensic watermarking to confirm the fake draft and trace its origin. The strategic counterstrike involved platform action for deepfake labeling, narrative AI tracking to identify primary injection nodes, and an automated counterbrief issued to global media outlets. The result was that legitimacy was preserved. Phase 4 was cyber escalation. Adversary tactics included a ransomware attempt, a DDoS attack, and an insider bribery attempt. System resilience measures included automatic isolation of regional nodes, distributed architecture, and offline case processing. Phase 5 was the decapitation attempt. The adversary filed challenges with synthetic evidence to force postponement. Defensive countermeasures used an immutable vault and an oversight engine to disprove fabricated data and confirm no model drift. The final assessment showed 100% institutional continuity and zero operational disruption, though there was a minor temporary trust dip. The adversary objective failed, and the ruling proceeded on schedule. The cost of inaction highlights the likely results without the implemented defense architecture. Public confidence would collapse to 15%, and the ruling could be delayed by 48+ hours, with critical damage occurring in 6 to 12 hours. Key lessons from the simulation emphasize that speed matters. The narrative response window must be less than 15 minutes. Decentralization prevents paralysis, and trust ownership is as critical as technical infrastructure defense. The judiciary must treat itself as sovereign infrastructure. Strategic mandates include authenticating every decision, decentralizing authority, and preparing before a crisis. Final assessment. Resilience achieved.